everybody. It's Keith from Bob CNC. Welcome to Shop Talk, and welcome to the presence of my best friend Bob.
And my presence, or your presence, or somebody's
what are you giving me?
Of Keith Havens.
Yeah.
You know, I hear I dance like you play basketball.
Oh God. Oh no.
So somebody said that you have problems dribbling and breathing at the same time.
Yeah, that's right. I've passed out a number of times playing basketball. It's a matter of hold your breath, dribble until you can't. Yeah, that's it. That's enough, Bob. It hurts. Yeah.
Well,
I was made fun of all through high school and
me too. Actually, mine went on to Pam. Pam said when I dance, I look like Snoopy. That kind of screws it up for you, you know.
No, I think Snoopy dances nice.
Okay, all right.
I like that.
That's why you're my
There's
best
even
friend.
songs about Snoopy.
Okay, so
yeah.
what are we talking about
I
today?
have no idea.
Okay, not
But
basketball
it's not, or
dancing.
dancing. No, because I can't do either.
Yeah.
No, but what we are going to talk about is tech problems.
Okay.
And for me, just recently, I got a Raspberry Pi. Ooh.
Not the kind you eat, the little computer one, right?
Well, Kathy's going to have one for me. But anyway, yeah, I got a Raspberry Pi because I got tired of having my CNC tethered to my laptop.
Okay.
It works just fine. I'm really happy, except that when I'm running a project that's, it's got a toolpath that's going to take like 18 to 20 hours to do, I can't use my computer.
Right.
And
so go to work, I guess, yeah?
Yeah.
On your computer, yeah.
Well, okay. Did he say something?
Yeah, go to work, yeah.
What?
So you bring your computer to work.
That shocked me because I don't know what that is.
Yeah, okay. I understand your concerns, yeah. Anyway, you got a Raspberry Pi.
Yeah, so I got a Raspberry Pi, and you said, you're going to have to call me to set it up. And so I was absolutely determined that someplace really warm was going to freeze over before I called you.
So who did you call?
I didn't call anybody.
Who did you get a hold of?
Hang on a second.
Okay.
So you give me these directions about this wiki that you wrote.
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And you said if you can find the wiki and you follow the directions.
I told you where it was. It was on the GitHub.
Oh yeah, that tells me everything.
Okay.
GitHub. So
you got
and I know there's guys out
you,
there going, don't be stomping on my story.
Okay, go ahead.
So anyway, I get everything all set. I was happy I was able to put the stupid thing together. And there was only like a couple of things I had to click. Well, I forgot the heat sinks.
Yeah, okay, yeah, all right. Moving along. Okay. After you got the heat sinks.
So I brought it to work, and I'm going to download, not UGS, but what's that thing you did? Oh, I keep forgetting.
Basic Sender.
Yeah. So I was going to download Basic Sender.
Yeah.
By the way, that thing works spectacularly.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Who'd you have do it for you?
Actually, some guys from Element 11, and of course it was started with
it's an awesome sender.
Okay.
So, but you have to have a computer to put it on. That's what the Apple Pi, the Raspberry Pi is
Apple Pi. Okay.
Well, Apple might come out with something like that.
You know what? They should. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That'd be good for marketing. Maybe I could get a job. Probably not. So,
got Raspberry Pi. Got heat sinks.
Yeah. I can't download whatever the thing is you wanted me to download onto the thing, so I could
kind of copy and paste.
Yeah, I copied. Yeah. So anyway, I got to ask Jonathan, one of our engineers.
I knew it.
Where do I copy this?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so he showed me, you've got to go up here and copy this. Now, from my point of view, writing manuals for people like me, I would have told them there's an icon that you've got to find, and this is what that does, and here's what it looks like, and you click this, and then you copy and paste that, and then I could have done it. See, I need help.
Okay.
So
you're going to do that on the wiki, right?
It's done.
Oh, good.
And it's working.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, it is.
Now everybody you can do this.
Well, the very first blog I think I wrote for Bob CNC is the only thing that I really bring to the deal here is I understand what it's like to do or have to learn something you've never done before and you don't relate to.
Yep. And
the biggest benefit is, but I'm not sure I told the truth. I said the biggest benefit is I can ask Bob, and I can.
Yeah.
But then I have to be ridiculed for hours on end.
What's the and I enjoy the most.
I do get the answer, but seldom is the answer worth it. It's the pain.
Anyway.
It's like dancing.
Yeah. It's dancing. Okay. All right. So
Yes.
If you're a customer and you need help, there's lots of ways that you can get help.
Yes.
So
I pray.
You could pray.
I do.
Praying's good.
Yes.
Facebook. We
Facebook.
have a lot of guys out there that have been through the same learning curve.
Yes.
Or had the same issue, and we'll be able to say, hey, have you tried this or tried that?
Right.
Okay, so there's one way.
That Facebook
right?
community is fantastic.
We have a troubleshooting page or troubleshooting pages with videos and stuff. We're always working to make that better. We're not there yet, but it's a good resource so that you can say, hey, if my machine won't home, here's some things, okay,
Right.
I look at those and could fix it. You can email our help desk. Right, so we have helpdesk@bobcnc.com. We'll go to
with pictures and videos is even
yeah,
better.
it's better. Yeah, if you say, hey, it don't work, you're just going to get an email back saying what doesn't work. You know, what are the issue you have. And so the more information you can get in that first email, right, the better.
Yep.
But there's three of us, 3 engineers that answer the phones and the emails all day. So, or I say all day, I'll get to that in a second. But we're going to try to figure out how to help you. And then of course there's the phone. I mean, our phone number is listed on our website. You can call us. We're in the shop working sometimes back and forth, right?
Yes.
Or sometimes, you know, Keith makes me go to marketing cred stuff, cool stuff, important stuff. Yeah. And you know, where he does, you know, that stuff that he does, things. But anyway, so we won't be able to answer the phone. So
I don't get paid near enough. Go ahead.
how come?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
No compensation for this. Oh man.
Anyway, the bottom line is if the phone rings and nobody answers, you know, leave a
It's
message.
because you're out taking a break.
Yeah, I'm on break. Yeah. Yeah.
Well,
And I did a lot of those. I'm
this
getting
is
older and I'm watching.
slower.
Yeah, how marketing, well, break is he does it kind of opposite.
All right.
He takes work.
But the deal is,
he takes work.
we're
He comes
doing a
to
lot
break,
of stuff
and he just works.
during the day,
Yeah.
and when you try to call us, it is not odd. The engineers will be back in production, running CNCs, or making adjustments to lasers or whatever.
Yeah, just leave a message. We'll get back with you.
And we need you to leave a message. This is a simple rule, and I don't want this to sound mean or harsh or anything, but if you don't leave a message, it's like a black hole. There's nothing there. And we can't call back. We don't know what the issue is. So when you call and there's a problem, even if you hate leaving messages, if you just say, here's my name, here's my number, and maybe a little brief, this is what's going on, these guys will get back to you within what?
Well,
15, 20 seconds?
Yeah. Sometimes it's that fast, like, you know,
Yeah.
because sometimes we're just on the phone and it's the next phone call that we're going to take.
Right.
On the weekends, you know, I have a routine where I go and do what I do, and then I gotta go back to the shop and check my emails and check my phone calls. Sometimes I'm gone all day, so I won't call you in the evening, and sometimes I'm actually working because I really do like what I do.
Yeah.
So if I'm in the home office and somebody calls, I will try to take care of them. But it really, again, just, you know, if you want to email, great. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. If you want to call, fantastic. We'll get back with you as soon as we can.
We are absolutely committed to you being successful in CNC.
Committed anyway.
I'm going to be committed as soon as this is over. Guys, till next time, there may not be a next time. We'll see ya.
Can you say straight jacket?